Hey everybody, welcome to another video. As you can see, we are on the FZ-09 today for the last time. So you guys saw about a month ago, I made a video entitled, I'm selling my FZ-09 after only 2 months. In that video, I talked about why I'm selling it, and I told you guys that I want to sell the FZ-09 because when you look at it, it's kind of a selfish toy. And like I said, I want to get something that I can use with my family. And in that video, I said, you know, I'm selling the FZ-09, but if I don't get any private party hits, I'm just going to take it to the dealer. Well, actually, I don't think I said I was going to take it to the dealer. I think I said I had a backup plan. So yeah, that backup plan is I'm taking it to the dealer. I don't want to sit on the FZ-09 anymore because, as you guys can see, I don't really ride it. I much prefer the KLX. I like the dual sport supermoto off-road dirt bike on the street type of life, whatever you want to call it. Street bike's fun, going fast is fun, but if I want to go fast, I'll just hop in my car. It feels a lot safer. Now, will I get another street bike in the future? Maybe. When I got this, I also thought that I'd have more friends with street bikes. I would want to ride more, maybe hit rides to the beach, but I can do that on the KLX. Hit rides further up north, bomb the freeways, but as of right now, don't really have many friends with sport bikes. Have a lot of friends with supermotos, dual sports, stuff like that. The FZ-09 is a great bike, but as of right now, it's just not for me. So we are heading off on our last ride on the FZ-09 to the dealership, where I'm just going to sell it to them, because why pay for something that I don't even use? Last 100-mile-an-hour pull. So right now, on our way to the dealer, let's go ahead and take quick look at the FZ-09's short time on the channel. The times I did ride it sure was fun. Chasing down a Lamborghini, hitting triple digits for the first time using a quick shifter. Getting rid of the bike is the first step to getting something that I can use with my family more often. Alright, here we go. Oh man, that puts a smile on your face. Oh, sick. Aventador looked like an SVJ. You know what? We are in the twisties here. Gotta see if we can't go ahead and catch up to them. Oh, no way! That's him! No way. Indeed, a Lamborghini SVJ. Wow, there's a whole pack of sheriffs up there. This garbage truck smells awful. Fresh air. So if you guys would like, go ahead and comment your favorite part of the FZ-09 on the channel. I know most of my audience is KLX, but hey, what was your favorite part of it? What's with all the garbage trucks today? I guess the good thing at the time is that getting this FZ-09, buying it from my friend, helped him get into a KLX. So there's a positive. Oh, what do we have here? Unmarked police car. Who uses the Crown Vic anymore? To the dealer here. Our time with the FZ-09 is soon to be coming to a close. What was that, Dad? Was that the belt squeaking? Or were those the tires? My dad's always saying, gee, my tires sure look a little worse for wear every time after I drive it. Ah, my dad giving me the po-po signal. Now let's get in the right lane here so I can show you guys Phil Knight's jets. So as you can see, guys, off to the right, Phil Knight's jets over there. Like I said, when I came out here to get the FZ-09, every time I come out to this dealer, I get to see Phil Knight and his private jets on display for the world to see. Well, here we are arriving to the dealer, Motorsport Hillsboro, buying the bike off of me here. It's been a fun ride, FZ-09, but we got to move on to something different. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with all the action here. But with all that being said, join the club, and I'll see you in the next one. One last look at that FZ-09.
I'm the motherfucker.